Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. The fuel system. The fuel system has three defects: missing fuel tank cap, insecure fuel tank, and dripping fuel leak. So what do we need to check for that? Let's check it out. First of all, we just go off of the defects and what the question is asking. Missing fuel tank cap. We need to make sure that the fuel tank cap is secure. It is not missing. So we just make sure that it's tight and secure. Then we have insecure fuel tank. If the fuel tank is not secure in its place, if the belts are loose, if they're not attached properly, that's a major defect. It's very dangerous. So we just make sure that the tank is secure, the belts are tight, and the tank is not moving. The last one is dripping fuel leak. Now that's very important. You don't want any dripping fuel leak around the tank, under the tank, all the way to the engine, all the way to the other side. There should be no fuel leak along the fuel lines. So we check this on this side, and then we have to continue. We have to check it under the engine, and we also have to check it from the other side. Okay, so now let's see how that looks like on the road test. The examiner will ask you, describe and demonstrate missing fuel tank cap. What do I do as the driver? I read, missing fuel tank cap is a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the vehicle. Insecure fuel tank and dripping fuel leak are major defects. When we have major defects, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive the vehicle. The cap is secure, it's tight, it's not missing. The tank is secure. There are no leaks around the tank. There are no dripping fuel leaks under the tank. No dripping fuel leaks. No dripping fuel leaks around the lines. No dripping fuel leaks under the engine. There are no dripping fuel leaks around the engine. No dripping fuel leaks under the lines, and we go to the other tank. Again, we repeat the same thing. This cap is secure, it's not missing. The tank is secure, the belts are tight, and there are no leaks around the tank and no dripping fuel leaks under the tank.